Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to copy chat conversation in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, you have to first log in your account on Microsoft Teams for you to be able, like, if you wanted to copy the chat conversation in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so once you're logged in, it will take you to the chat dashboard. So here guys, we have a lot of conversation right here. So for me, I wanted to copy this message or this chat conversation or this one, and I wanted to send to other person. So just have to click control C or command C in MacBook user, and you have just have to paste it to another person that you wanted to share with. Okay, so just have to t- tap enter and it will successfully send. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.